I made this cheese without milk, with the help of eggs. Many people think this is milk, but it is not. I pour 3 liters into the pot. I will heat it until it is hot, but it must not boil. While I'm waiting for it to heat up, I'm going to beat 3 eggs. Add a teaspoon of salt. I heated the yogurt until it was hot, but not boiling, and now I add eggs. Stir constantly. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking, I remove the pan from the stove and let it cool. I need a pan to put the colander on. I put cheesecloth on the colander and strain the cheese. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Have you eaten cheese made from yogurt? The taste is phenomenal. I put the plate. Press with a heavier object. And let the cheese drain well and cool. After 3 hours, we will see what our cheese looks like. You can use the cheese for pies, savory cakes, or as a spread. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.